If you want to create an award cup icon in Figma quickly and easily, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. This is a simple but useful trick for designers, content creators, and anyone building icons, mockups, or UI layouts in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to search for the right icon and place it directly into your design in just a few clicks. If you enjoy quick Figma tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful design tips. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and go to the design where you want to add the icon. At the bottom toolbar, look for the Actions icon and click it. This is where Figma gives you access to extra tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. Once the menu opens, click on Plugins and Widgets. This will take you to the section where you can search for different plugins that help you add assets, shapes, and icons into your design. In the search bar, type Iconify and run the plugin. Iconify is a very popular plugin because it gives you access to a huge library of icons without needing to leave Figma. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search field inside Iconify. Type award into the search bar and press enter. This will filter the icon library and show you different award-related icons, including cup and trophy styles. Take a moment to browse the results and choose the award cup icon that best fits your design. Once you find the one you want, simply drag and drop the award cup icon onto your canvas. You can place it wherever you need it in your layout, then resize it, change the color, or position it to match the rest of your design. And that's it. You've now created an award cup icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few steps. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect whenever you need clean icons without designing them from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Figma tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more icon design tips in the future.